What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory. Safety is #1 priority, and today all we're gonna need is belt. A leather belt, old belt. I'm using, you see it's a useless belt, but today I'm gonna challenge you some. Well, I'm gonna show you that you can challenge somebody and win some money, like a bet or something. Pretty much ask for the belt and say you can rip it apart with just your bare hands. And the trick in this video is just spin it around like this. Check it out. On one, you see how I spun it around on one side and spin it around on the other side like this. You see? Oh, you got this like two circles. Let's see it closer. So now, as you can see, we got spun it around with two sides. All you need to do is spin this one this way and this one the other way. So if I'm gonna keep spinning, hold it tight. Guess what? Guess what happens? I'm gonna rip off that belt with just my bare hands. You see, with physics, you can look a lot stronger. So let's try this again. You ask somebody for a belt and bet them that you can rip it apart with your bare hands, and all you gotta do is find the half of the belt and twist, fold it like this. You see it's half, and then twist one side on like all the way like this circle, and then twist another side like this. And I was doing it when I was a kid, you know, checking it out, and I was be able to do it. So I just remember because of the phone book, and I thought I'm gonna make a video of that. So you keep twisting it. Sometimes it's not too easy, but as long as you keep twisting it and you have some muscles, you can rip it off in half. But otherwise, if you're using like that, you'll not be able to rip it off anyway. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let me know what do you think. You know, sometimes using physics, you can look a lot stronger than people think. So, you know what I mean? You can win some money with this tactic as well. Just spin it around, twist and rip it off in half. Make video responses, do not break any new and good ones belts, just, you know, useless, break the useless, like, you know, don't waste any good belts. Pretty much it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.